Happy lockdown, everybody. Okay, so we're going to start looking at balancing chemical equations really quick. I want you to look on the deal that I posted on page 168, and it talks about describing chemical reactions. Some of this, for you freshmen, is a review. For some of you, this is new. My 8th graders, this is new. Don't freak out. It's just like the marshmallow deal. When we get going, you'll understand it. When we do chemical equations, if you're reading along with me, read along on 169. It's a short, easy way to show a reaction. So instead of writing water plus oxygen like this gives me, I can't even write H2O. It. No. Okay, I don't need your help. Instead of writing it all out like this, we can write H2O, like Morgan said. So I do need her help. Okay, you can write H2O, hydrogen and oxygen. Now the 2, remember we talked about before. The 2 means you have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen molecule. Okay, like that. You can come in. Okay, so when we talk about it, last year we remember, don't stop, don't lick it, just stand there. You're so gross. Okay.
I like it. What are you
You're not going to get to help if you can't be
We
good.
can edit this.
Okay, we're not going to edit it. If you look at the bottom, remember when we do a chemical reaction, now freshmen, this is where we make the fireworks for you, or the smoke bombs, okay? Look at the bottom of the page where it says calcium, okay, Ca, carbon, C, and oxygen, O. Hold it up and do your job. You had one job, okay? Like that. Hold still. Like that. Can you see that? Put it down by his shirt so you can see that. Okay? When we break it down, your reactants are on the first side. So reactant, look where it says that in the yellow. Okay? If we're breaking it down, your arrow means gives or yields. Okay? Hold still. And then it gives you a product. Calcium and oxygen. Hold on to it. Don't you dare drop it. This isn't working. And carbon and oxygen, carbon dioxide, okay? So as we go through, remember, your reactants are on the left. Your product is on the right, what it gives you. Now, if I add hydrogen plus oxygen, it gives me water, hydrogen, or whatever, okay?
No, it gives you Spanish.
No. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen, like that. Okay, or so you have water. The way we write it with your chemical symbols, review your periodic tables. I don't know if you guys got your periodic tables yet or not. Everybody who was an 8th grader last year, my freshmen, say the law of conservation of mass. Matter, okay, if you don't remember it, can neither be created or destroyed. Even Morgan knows it. Okay, she's mouthing it right now. So remember, matter can't be created or destroyed. Most of the time we're in an open system. Like if you read along,
remember,
I'm going to destroy you. Get over there. So funny.
Remember.
remember.
Okay, stay right there. Don't move. You're in timeout. Okay, matter can't be created or destroyed. Focus.
Focusing.
Okay. An open system, what we usually do, we don't keep everything, okay? At the bottom of your page, it shows a closed system with the pair. If you leave something in a Tupperware container, if you want to do that, okay, weigh like an apple and your Tupperware container together. If you leave it sealed, you will have the exact, do not zoom in on my face, you will have the exact same weight when it's ended, but it's all rotted. It's not the same, okay? Matter cannot be
created or destroyed.
Thank you. Okay, so when we look at balancing chemical equations, look on this page here. That's your cue.
Oh, okay.
So when we look at balancing chemical equations, notice If matter can't be created or destroyed, get out of here. You have hydrogen and oxygen. I have 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. Over here, what do I have? 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. If matter cannot be created or destroyed, what the heck happened, right? So we have to count our atoms. 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms. So now we have to try and balance this chemical equation. Get out of here. So what we're going to do, read along with me. And this is what I would write down in a notebook or something so you know how to do it. Okay, be still. No more. Okay. What I would write down for you to know how to do it is you're going to count your atoms. Write your equation. Count the atoms. And then we're going to use coefficients, just like in math. Everybody say, yay, math! Yay, math! Good job, Morgan.
Yay, math!
And when we say yay, math, you need to mean it. I know you don't mean it.
Oh.
Okay,
Now let's remember this part.
Okay, we'll use yours in just a second, please. Okay, so when you look, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. What they do is they put a coefficient here, 2. Okay, this 2 goes 2 times 2, which gives you 4 hydrogen, and 2 times 1, if you don't write it, it's always understood 1, oxygen. Okay? So as we go through, you're going to go through and balance these equations. So what Teek's going to do is hold up this glass, and I'm going to try and write these chemical equations. So follow along with me so we can balance them out. All right? And then I will post tomorrow a picture of balanced equations that we can do together, and we'll work through them together, but not today because I got other things to do. All right? So I want you to read through this chapter. Teek's going to bring his glass over, and we're going to go through magnesium and oxygen together. Stay right there. All right? And then you can hold it up. Just so you know, you boys are gross. Okay, so we're going to go magnesium. Hold on to it.
It's the wrong one. It's not going to erase.
That's okay. It'll erase. It's on glass. Magnesium plus oxygen equals, or gives us with an arrow. All right. Magnesium, I'm going to move that. Oxide, like this. I promise you I'll try to find a whiteboard later. All right, so first, I want you to count, and the messier your paper, the better. Teek, you're going to have to stand in front of it so they can see
okay.
it. Yeah, like that. Not like that. Okay, so I have 1 magnesium. I have 2 oxygen. Quit. On this side, I have 1 magnesium and 1 oxygen. Is that balanced? Teek, shake your head. No. No, it is not balanced. Okay? Hold on to it. Okay? So to make this balanced, I'm going to have to use coefficients. Coefficients go in the front. That's why I leave a blank here, a blank here, and a blank here to squeak in all that we need. All right? When you have one together like this, magnesium and oxygen, it's one thing. So whatever coefficient I put here is going to count for the magnesium and the oxygen. All right? So magnesium, how many do I need? 1, right? How many do I need over here? 1. But I have 2 oxygen here and only 1 here. How am I going to get 2 oxygen over there? If I put a 2 here, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. But now I have a problem. I have 2 magnesium here. I have 1 oxygen here. Okay? Or 2 oxygen here. Thank you. Okay, after I have the 2 here, we'll just tape a piece of paper behind this tomorrow so you can see better. Okay, after I have my 2 here, all right, I have 2 here and 2 here. How am I going to get 2 magnesium on this side?
You don't.
You do. You put a 2 right here. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so I have 2 magnesium. The plus sign separates the oxygen. 2 oxygen, 2 magnesium, 2 oxygen. It's balanced. All right. Tomorrow I will put white behind this and we'll be able to see it better. My children will be banned from the classroom of wonderful learning. Go put it up. Okay. Read through this. We'll go through it tomorrow. I will try to find some more things to go through, and we will practice a little bit together with Google Hangouts. I've got to put all of your email addresses on the Hangout. Ain't nobody got time for that today. So tomorrow, I will try to get a list. I'm going to stop up at the school today and get a list of all your emails. Put you all on Hangout, and we'll all hang out. Not this guy. Okay? I love you all, and I miss you all. You are so gross. Okay. Tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, go. Shut it off.